Are you ready to discover the ultimate gadgets that are completely redefining what life after 60 looks like? Because getting older shouldn't mean losing your independence, it should mean upgrading your toolkit. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tryntest. Today, we are bringing you part 1 of our massive mega list of must-have Amazon gadgets, specifically curated to make life safer, easier, and infinitely more enjoyable for seniors. We've packed this video with 18 mind-blowing tech upgrades and daily essentials you won't want to live without. Be sure to check the description below for links to every single item we mention. Let's not waste any time, let's dive straight into the list. First up is the Lunderg chair alarm system. If you're worried about the safety and independence of an elderly loved one, this is a smart solution worth paying attention to. It is designed especially for seniors living alone and includes fall detection, GPS tracking, and a one-touch emergency button that connects instantly to 24/7 monitoring services. The device is water-resistant, has a long-lasting battery, and even supports two-way communication so seniors can talk directly with responders or family members. With its large, easy-to-read display and simple interface, it is made to be senior-friendly from the ground up. At number 2, we have the Magny 10X Rectangle Magnifying Glass. This is a fantastic everyday helper for reading, crafting, sewing, painting, and any task that requires a closer look. With 10X magnification and a real glass lens, it gives a clear, distortion-free view. It also comes with an easy-to-use head button for lighting adjustments, plus 5 color modes and dimmable brightness to reduce eye strain and improve visibility in different settings. Number 3 is the EZPIK award-winning folding grabber tool. This one is all about independence. With a 36-inch reach, it lets users pick up items without bending or stretching. The 360-degree rotating jaw and anti-slip silicone grip make it easy to handle objects of different sizes securely. It weighs just 10 ounces, so it's lightweight and portable, and the built-in magnetic tip helps retrieve small metal items with ease. At number 4 is the Car Door Handle Load 400-pound portable vehicle support handle. Made from forged steel and upgraded composite materials, this sturdy handle supports up to 400 pounds. It offers a comfortable, ergonomic foam rubber grip for safer entry and exit from vehicles. It also includes a built-in seatbelt cutter and window breaker for emergencies, and its compact size makes it easy to store in a glove box. At number 5, we have the long-handled shoehorn, also known as the Fanwer 2-in-1 shoehorn and dressing stick. This is a simple but brilliant tool for seniors who want to dress without bending down. Its adjustable length works well for both sitting and standing positions, and the S-shaped hook helps with putting on shirts or pulling up pants. Built from durable materials, it's gentle on both hands and clothing. Number 6 is the one-touch electric can opener. This gadget opens cans with a single press, removing the struggle of traditional manual openers. It uses a safe stainless steel cutting mechanism that leaves no sharp edges, making it safer for everyone. It's especially helpful for people with arthritis or limited hand strength, and it opens cans smoothly without spills. At number 7, we have the Snailax hand massager. This device is designed to relieve discomfort in aging hands using gentle compression, optional heat, and soothing vibration. With 3 massage modes, it can fit different needs, especially for seniors who spend long hours typing or using their hands. Its cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere, and the built-in timer keeps each session safe and controlled. Number 8 is the MAIDeSITE electric chairlift. This is a practical mobility aid for seniors who struggle with standing up. It weighs only 30 pounds but can support up to 300 pounds. The foldable side wings make movement easier, while the waterproof design and 6 suction cups improve stability. Since it uses a rechargeable battery, there's no need to stay plugged into a power supply. At number 9, we have the button hook and zipper pull. This small tool makes dressing much easier for seniors, especially those with weak hands, arthritis, or carpal tunnel syndrome. The soft grip handle provides comfort and control, while the slender wire loop slides through buttonholes without snagging fabric. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and ideal for stress-free dressing at home or on the go. Number 10 is the SSYA digital calendar alarm clock. With a clear 7-inch HD LCD display, this clock is built for easy reading day and night. It includes simple time formats, auto night dimming, and alarm settings for medications and appointments. It also supports multiple languages, making it more accessible for different users. This is one of those products that helps reduce confusion while supporting independence.
And that is your alarm.
At number 11, we have the TAILI Shower Grab Bar. This suction grab bar is a smart bathroom safety tool for slippery environments. It attaches to smooth, non-porous surfaces without tools or drilling. The anti-slip strip gives a secure grip, and the ergonomic design works for all hand sizes. With support up to 240 pounds, it adds stability and helps reduce fall risks in the shower. Number 12 is the EASACE. This self-care tool helps seniors apply lotion without straining their backs. The adjustable handle allows easy reach to difficult areas, while the rolling head spreads lotion smoothly and even gives a soothing massage as it goes. Its ergonomic design keeps the process comfortable and simple. At number 13, we have the MAGNIPROS 5X full-page magnifying glass. This hands-free magnifier includes a collapsible stand, making it ideal for reading or crafting without holding the device. The anti-glare lens and 24 SMD lights reduce eye strain with the 3 lighting modes, cool white, warm white, and a combination, let users adjust the brightness to match their surroundings. Number 14 is the KVR upgraded garden kneeler. Gardening becomes much easier with this wider, more supportive kneeler. At 7.9 inches wide, it provides a comfortable kneeling space and helps reduce stress on the knees and back. It holds up to 330 pounds, folds for easy storage, and includes 2 large tool pouches to keep gardening essentials close at hand. It works as both a kneeler and a seat, making it highly versatile. At number 15, we have the Fanwer Toilet Aids tool. This toilet aid is specifically made for people with limited mobility who want to maintain dignity and independence during personal hygiene. Its soft, flexible head securely holds toilet tissue or wipes, and the 14-inch length helps reduce strain by extending reach. Made from durable plastic and rubber, it's built for comfort and long-lasting use. Number 16 is the bed rails for elderly adults, the WAIWOP Compact Bed Rail. This sturdy rail supports up to 350 pounds and helps prevent falls while getting in and out of bed. The padded, non-slip handrail gives a secure grip, and the adjustable height fits different bed sizes. It also includes a mesh pocket for essentials, along with simple tool-free assembly and easy cleaning. At number 17, we have the Essential Care Medical Alert System, the Nomo Smart Care Essential Care Kit. This is a reliable safety system that includes a main hub, 2 range-extending satellites, and wearable tags for real-time monitoring. It's easy to set up and lets families track movement and check on loved ones without complicated installation. With no need for constant battery replacements, it offers 24/7 peace of mind. That wraps up the first part of our list. If you enjoyed these helpful gadgets, make sure to subscribe to Tryntest, hit the like button, and drop a comment telling us which product stood out to you the most. Your support means a lot, and there's still plenty more coming up in the next video, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.